Hey guys, I'm not sure if you can hear me because it's kind of loud, but I'm in Mentone, Alabama, and this is crazy. Pretty awesome. Isn't that crazy? They get to look out their windows and see this. It's a man-made waterfall. And, what? Okay, apparently I'm coming over here. Oh, it's a lot quieter. It's a lot quieter over here. I'm coming still.
Still not there yet. Okay.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Well, maybe that was a better place. Or you could go out here, but that looks kind of scary.
This is my grandma, everyone. Say hi.
This in the video, is it?
Yeah, it is.
Oh.
I'm making a vlog. Oh man. So those people get to see all that, right?
And I know them. You want to go over there?
Oh, really?
And see it from their backyard?
I'm good, but... So how big do you think this is?
See, I think she was found over in that ledge.
Yeah, seems like that would be a spot. So...
There's one of Lewis and Clark's canoes.
No, it's not. It's really hot out here, guys. Oh, that kind of looks like a cool spot. But I don't want to go for it because it looks like I could fall easily. Okay. See you guys later. So, another waterfall. We're going to a lot of waterfalls today. I posted a picture on Instagram. If you don't follow me on Instagram, go follow me. It's Greg_Fletcher.
Oh, I thought you were talking to me.
No. No. But surface may be slippery. Two guys down there. They're swimming. It's really hot outside.
Hi.
You're gonna be on YouTube,
Oh,
so go look it up. Have you seen my vlog? You should watch my vlogs.
no. I don't want to be.
Well,
It'd be against I haven't signed any papers.
huh?
I haven't signed any consent.
Well, I mean, I guess I can. Yeah. We saw a big frog. It wasn't really a big frog, but it's probably about that big or so. But it's bigger than the ones in Washington. So, there's a trail down here. I think that if you guys came down here, if you don't already live down here, you would die of the heat. Because it's so hot. Hey Andrew, what are you rocking out to?
Faded put out a new song.
Huh?
Drunk Girl put out a new song. And I'm waiting for Caked Up's new song.
What is Caked Up's new song?
Ziggy Zig, I believe.
Ziggy Zig.
Yeah, it features the Spice Girls.
I don't know what the Spice Girls are. Oh, hey, there's my dad. Okay, well guys, see you maybe at the next waterfall or wherever we go. Okay guys, so we just got done with the Rome Braves game. I didn't want to vlog in there because, first of all, I'm not sure if they'd get me in trouble. I doubt they would. But then also, I didn't want to get, like, I didn't want to have copyright problems or whatever because they were playing a lot of songs in there. And then also it was just loud, so I didn't want to, you know, not be able to be heard. So yeah, I'm going to edit on my iPad and while we're on our way to my grandma's house. I will see you guys probably tomorrow because we're going to a Braves game. I'm not sure if I'm going to vlog there. I'll try to. Yeah, the big Braves. The real ones. Not that these guys aren't real, but I'm going to try to vlog there, but I'm not sure if it'll have too much, like, problems with... I know it'll be loud, but I'm not sure if it'll have that big of problems with, like, copyright. I'll try to vlog there anyways. I'm not sure if it'll work out, but yeah, so we're also going, what are we doing tomorrow also, Dad?
Coca-Cola.
Oh yeah, we're going to the World of Coke, and that's going to be awesome because it's going to tell like the history of Coke and how not drugs, just so you know. Like the video, subscribe, and comment down below if you like the Braves. Bye.